Church remains a valued partner in diplomacy. The sessional paper number 1 of 2025 on Kenya's foreign policy recognizes religious organizations as key partners in advancing Kenya's foreign policy objectives. In this regard, we thank the apostolic nuncios for their role in strengthening Kenya's diplomatic relations with the Holy See. Kenya has established a resident mission to the Holy See, with President Ruto appointing a practicing Catholic as our first ambassador. Notably, since the attaining of independence in 1963, Kenya has been honored by the pastoral visits of Pope John Paul II in 1980, 1985, and 1995, and Pope Francis in 2015. Likewise, President Ruto met Pope Francis during the G7 summit in Italy in June 2024. In April 2025, he traveled directly from his state visit to China to attend the late Pontiff's Requiem Mass in Vatican City. Kenya's partnership with the Catholic Church remains strong, from the highest levels of leadership to parishes across the country. As we continue to pray for the beatification of the servant of God, Cardinal Otunga, former Archbishop of Nairobi, we also celebrate the beatification of missionaries on Kenyan soil, including the Blessed Irene Stephanie, fondly known as Nyada, whose beatification in Nyeri in 2015 was the first ever held in Eastern Africa, and the Blessed Maria Carola, beatified in Meru